So mashallah, tabarakallah, we're here now visiting one of our training centers where all of the ladies are learning how to sew. And inshallah ta'ala, they do a 6-month course, and once they've done the 6-month course, we get a new intake from the area, and after that, inshallah ta'ala, if they wish to come back and learn more, they can do more, inshallah. So this is with your donations, we are able to support the center, but of course, we have space for a few more here, and it'd be nice if we could get at least 2 more sewing machines, inshallah. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is one of the madrasas that we are visiting, which we are supporting. And I've been speaking to all of the teachers here. I have 2 teachers here who are just sat next to me. I've been asking them about the Dalal Qiraat, and they're very interested in starting the Dalail here in all of the madrasas, and I just thought I'd let you know, inshallah, if there's possibility to send the Dalail to Assam, then please do consider that, and then we can actually have them in all of the madrasas here in Assam.
আল্লাহ ইয়া রহমান রাহিমিন আমাদের মা বাবার কবর আযাবকে তুমি মাফ করে দাও ইয়া আল্লাহ আল্লাহ জান্নাতুল ফিরদাউস নসিব করো ইয়া আল্লাহ আমিন রব্বুল আলামিন ইয়া আকরামাল আকরামিন